Welcome back to Vital Edge. Natural fat loss starts with simple daily habits. Small changes give the biggest results. Today, learn how to reduce fat without any harsh methods. Begin your day with warm water. It boosts digestion and melts belly fat faster. Just one glass can kickstart your metabolism. Add lemon to your morning routine. Vitamin C helps burn fat naturally. A simple squeeze can make a big difference. Eat more high-fiber foods daily. Fiber keeps you full for hours. Less hunger means less fat stored. Walk at least 20 minutes a day. Walking burns fat without stressing the body. Slow and steady steps give long-term results. Avoid sugar as much as possible. Sugar turns into fat quickly. Natural energy foods are much healthier. Drink green tea twice a day. It boosts fat burning naturally. Perfect for reducing belly and thigh fat. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Poor sleep increases belly fat. Rest well to let your body burn calories better. Eat slower and chew properly. This prevents overeating automatically. Your body burns more calories digesting well-chewed food. Use coconut oil for cooking. It helps burn more fat than regular oils. A healthy switch makes a big difference. Replace soda with water. Sugary drinks secretly increase fat. Your body will thank you for this change. Add protein to every meal. Protein keeps you full and builds lean muscle. More muscle means faster fat burning. Avoid eating late at night. Your body stores more fat during sleep. Finish dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Manage stress levels daily. Stress increases hormones that store fat. Relax your mind to reduce weight naturally. Stay consistent, not perfect. Natural fat loss takes patience. Your healthy habits will reshape your body slowly and beautifully.